Hello, so in this video, we are going to explain you the flow of our Google Sheet connector. So after installing our module, you will be able to see an app named Odoo to Sheets in your Odoo database. Clicking on that, then clicking on New, here you will be able to see one connector URL is being generated, and there are two buttons like generate token and generate app script. First you need to click on generate token, so an access token would be generated. After that, click on generate app script. This will generate an app script and will attach it in the chatter. Click on download. Here the Google script is being downloaded. You need to open that Google script. Copy the entire code. Now go to your Google Sheet, go to extension, app script. Here you need to paste the code which you have copied from the script downloaded. As soon as you paste the code, then you need to save the changes. After saving it, click on Run. Here you will require to give the authorization. As soon as you give the access and click on Continue, the script will be executed. And as soon as the execution is completed, go back to your Google Sheet. You will be able to see a new option named Odoo Connector. Here there are different options as well. So the first one is set URL and token. So first we will click on that. And here it will ask you to enter the Odoo API URL. So go back to your Odoo database and you need to copy the connector URL which is generated over here and you need to paste it. Click on OK. Then it will ask you to enter Odoo API token. So here you will copy the access token generated and paste it over here and click on OK. Once you have copied and pasted both of the credentials, you will get one notification that your API URL and token are being set successfully. Click on OK. Now there are several different options, so we will go through them one by one. The second one is select tables and fetch data. So clicking on that, you will be able to see the different tables which are present in your Odoo database. Here are all of the tables from your Odoo database. There is also one search bar, so you can search the name of the table which you want to import in Google Sheet. For now, I'm importing contact and sales order, two of them. Then on clicking on this option, next select columns. Here you will be able to see all of the columns for the selected table, for the contact and for the sale order. Now it's up to you which of the columns you want to import in your Google Sheet. I'm selecting some of the columns for contact. Similarly, some of the columns for sale order. Then I will click on the button Fetch Data. So it will fetch all the data for both of the tables in the Google Sheet, and it will generate two new sheets, one for contact and one for sale order. So here you can see the columns which you have selected while fetching. All of the columns are being imported for the contact. Similarly, all of the columns that you selected for the sale order are being imported in this sheet. Now, the next functionality is like setup automatic import refresh. So clicking on that, here you will be able to select the sheet which you have imported, for contact, that is res.partner. If you are setting one, that is the time interval for 1 hour. For sale order, you are setting one. So for both of them, every 1 hour, the schedulers will be run and the data would be imported automatically. Like if you will make any changes in Odoo, so every 1 hour, both of the sheets, the changes will be displayed over here. Then similarly for automatic export refresh, clicking on that, if you are setting for both of the sheets as 2 hours, so every 2 hours the created export schedulers will run, and if you will make any changes in your Google Sheet, so it would be updated in your Odoo database every 2 hours. This refresh now is something like if you want to refresh the data on the spot, like if you will click on refresh now, so if there are any changes in any of the sheet made from your side in Odoo database, so it will be refreshed immediately. The last one is send data to Odoo. So if you are making any of the changes in this Google Sheet and then you are clicking on send data to Odoo, the same changes will be done in your Odoo database. I will show it to you. Let's say here the contact with ID 9, its name is Wood Corner. So going back to our contact module in Odoo, adding a custom filter for ID and searching the same contact. Here you would be able to see the name of the contact is set as Wood Corner. Now here I'm changing it to just Wood. Then after the changes are being saved, I'm clicking on send data to Odoo. So again, a new pop-up will open and you need to select like of which sheet data you want to send in Odoo. So I will select res.partner. Then I will select columns as well. So in whichever columns you have made the changes, you can select those columns. For now, I have made the changes in the name. So I will select the name column and then I will click on export data. So here you will get one notification like export is being completed for res.partner. Again, going back to that contact in your Odoo and refreshing it, here you would be able to see like the name is changed from Wood Corner to Wood. Now in your Odoo to Sheets connector in Odoo database, here you will be able to see one more menu named data processing logs. So here you can see all of the logs about the import or export which you have done from Odoo to Google Sheet or from Google Sheet to Odoo. So the logs which are successful will be seen as in green color, and if the logs are failed or partially successful, then it would be seen in yellow or red color. Let me show you the demonstration for that. I am in this sheet for res.partner. Here I am setting the company ID as 2, and as in Odoo we just have one company, that is your company with ID 1, but here for one of the contacts I am setting the company ID as 2. Then I am again clicking on send data to Odoo, selecting the table. Then I'm selecting all of the columns and clicking on export data. So here the export is being completed. Now if I'm refreshing this logs page, here I will be able to see like total records were 49 and the successful records are 48. That is, one of the records is not being successfully fetched. So here you will be able to see like the partial is set as 1 and successful is 48. There is one more tab named detailed errors. So here you will be able to see the error like the selected company is not compatible with the companies of the related users. As we don't have any of the other companies in our Odoo database, so here you won't be able to change the ID for that company. So this was all about the functional flow of our Google Sheet connector. Thank you.